What kind of headwinds did Fortescue face in this half?
Well, this half did cover a period in which we saw the iron ore price decline a little. It averaged around about $120 per tonne as China moved to curb its steel outputs. So this did weigh on Fortescue's numbers. The first half net income, $2.78 billion. That was a narrow miss. The dividend a little weaker than what we saw last year as well, 86 cents, and revenue was down 13% to $8.1 billion. But Fortescue faced other headwinds as well, the same as many other companies in this space. Costs were up 20%, Fortescue says, on rising fuel prices, labour shortages as well. But there are some signs that those labour shortages might ease. We are hearing from the Western Australian government, which is home to some of the toughest border restrictions in the world, that there will be an announcement towards the end of this month on easing those border restrictions. So perhaps some good news for Fortescue in the second half.
Paul, we of course saw iron ore fall steeply yesterday on Chinese moves. What sort of impact could this have on Fortescue in the second half?
Yeah, Fortescue, of course, more exposed here than others. Iron ore is its only product. That is until it gets green hydrogen up and running, and we might hear a little bit more about that later today. And China, of course, is its biggest customer, substantially, accounting for 90% of Fortescue's output. So as iron ore falls, as goes Fortescue. Of course, we did have Chinese authorities summoning some iron ore trading firms over abnormal prices, issuing warnings about speculation, and that did prompt the iron ore price to fall up to 13% yesterday. But still, we do have iron ore prices well above historical averages, and Fortescue's a very, very low-cost producer that expects cost per wet metric tonne in 2022 to be between $15 and $15.50. So if you've got iron ore prices even above $100, that makes the profit margin still pretty decent for Fortescue.